दुनिया what?
बेदर्दी बेपीटोलम सन
ये दुनिया पित्तल नहीं होता है. So I'm currently at the airport, ready to fly to my first ever trip with my best friend. I'm so excited, and of course, this is my outfit. This burgundy, brown, black, and of course I matched my brown with this pretty bag that I got as my birthday. And I wanna do what's in my bag, because just for fun, no reason. So headphones, first of all, I never go anywhere without them. Okay, so I get really bad sweet cravings on flights. I don't know why. I don't even get hungry, but I really want something sweet, so I just got this. What else? Comb, of course. And what else is there? Power bank, because I do not trust phones like that. What else? Sanitizer, lip balm that's almost dying. What else? Yeah, I am having trouble, can you tell? My purse with this keychain. All my friends know this boba keychain is so precious to me. My sister got this for me from, I think, Iceland. And boarding pass. Yeah. Boarding should have started like 20 minutes ago, but I guess we did.
दीदी हम अभी जाते हैं क्योंकि हम आप देखो जाएंगे अभी देखो फैब्रिक्स
So we are finally in Udaipur, and we are currently at dinner, and we are sitting near lakeside. This restaurant is nice, I guess, pretty cheap also. This is me. And if you cannot hear us once again, it's because I still have not bought a mic. I keep forgetting. And currently we are having the classic Coke with ice and lemon. Those who know, know. Anyway, oh, me and the scarf I made.
ইউ পিপল সে জলও খাবো হ্যাঁ কারণ নো ওয়ান ওয়ান্টস টু সে পান করবো হু দা ফাক ওয়ান্টস টু সে জল পান করবে
So it's morning now. We slept well.
also overslept
Also overslept.
leave about our alarms
Seriously, we were supposed to like leave an hour ago, I think.
by now we should
We should have left, but now we are going for chai. Also, look at this humongous bougainvillea tree. Like, this must be old as. This would be a nice photo walk. Post this vlog later, so there's no issue with us revealing. Oh, the dhoop is amazing.
thank god there is sun
Seriously, it's very cold. Like, I mean, we anticipated cold, but it's very cold.
there is a different amount of cold hunger
Yeah, I mean, तुम वहाँ से आई हो, you would definitely not feel. The dhoop is nice. The chai place, no, it's open though.
just खुला है
I think we're the very first people. Like, the store hasn't even properly opened. But let's just ask. What do you think? Oh, your eyes twinkle na in the sun.
I have hazel eyes
Brown and hazel, right?
in sun it's always hazel
I don't know if my camera is capturing it. None of us can see. Also, last night we went to this restaurant called the Little Prince, and we only went there because of the name, because of the book, and the food was cheap but very good, honestly.
honey chili potato that saved like everything whatever sauce they made
Seriously,
Once
like
more before
I don't
we
even know what the pizza tasted like, because I
yeah because
remember
we just dipped it
yeah, because we remember honey chili potato, and they also took a request of giving us like a glass with ice and lemon for the Coke. Which, how was your experience?
oh it was nice I did not know like lemon with
I am such a sucker for this. Me and my sister try this all the time. Also, now that it's morning, the views are much clearer. Should we go to like Lake Pichola, a building, and see? Let's just go. दुनिया what?
बेदर्दी बेबी डॉलम सन
ये दुनिया पित्तल नहीं होता है.
बेदर्दी
नहीं, ये दुनिया पित्तल नहीं. As in the world is made of copper and I am gold. That's why baby doll में सोने दी and the दुनिया is पित्तल.
I got बेदर्दी.
नहीं तो why would she make a correlation to फिर?
I never thought कि बेबी डॉल में सोने दी का कोई.
I was trying to capture this mandala, but you distracted me with the very wrong lyric. We are sitting here for chai. We asked Bhaiya how soon you can set it up. And yeah, now that we are late, we went exploring a little, but अभी कोई भी shops नहीं खुली है. And we
9 o'clock सब बंद है.
yeah, people are very chilly here. मुझे तो अच्छा लग रहा है. People are very chilly here. That is nice. Oh my god, am I going to sound like that? Those tourists. Oh my god, people are so cute. But no, like I mean generally, like coming from a big city.
It's big city girls. You know, old town shop.
The way literally neither of us are actual, you know, like big city girls. Both of us are small
हम
town.
इससे भी smart town.
Exactly. Exactly. But like the Lake Pichola hotel, we just found out just that Upre is literally right here. And Lake Pichola hotel is right here obviously, and so our itinerary suddenly is much more easier, but we're still not going to Chittorgarh. So yeah, because it's very fucking far. I knew you were gonna do that. Plus yeah, I don't go to forts, they make me sad. So there's that. Also look at all the petunia flowers we have here. We chose this sit on purpose. Bhaiya is setting up his shop. If anybody sees this vlog, they make really good chai, like genuinely very good. What did they ask? Chai के लिए 20 रुपए मांगे थे ना, but like the chai was good honestly. 20 रुपए is a little much, but you know, ठीक है यार, I get it. Touristy place. I think these earrings will go na. You're so good at makeup, but why does your palette look like one of those sticky note tabs? I like this. So we are all ready. We'll do a fit check later, but we are currently in an auto going to City Palace. This is our fit. It matches a lot of elements, like lots of elements are similar. The chudiya and the the tattoo and the mehndi. Oh, यहाँ पे अगर मेहंदी कहीं करवा रहे होंगे, do you want to get वो stamp वाला
मुझे पैक से करवाना है.
करा ले. I full support. Also, you guys can't tell, but like I have some kajal on for a change. I did brown kajal, but I think it looks nice if I take off my like glasses completely. But उसके बिना दिखाई नहीं देगा, so anyway, see ya.
बाद में देखेंगे कि तू दिखी की. I feel bad for them, but then इतना पैसा नहीं.
We are currently at one of the top photo ops in this place. It's like the marble, but at the same very much crowded. Because I mean we did come here and we did come here like plus in tourist season, so we can't really be. I mean we are the tourists. But yeah, this place is. I'm taking a video as well. Or should I add this to my vlog? You're watching something, इसकी आवाज़ आ रही है.
No, my video.
अच्छा. So we are currently in. We saw the museum. This is sort of like the place where everybody is sitting, and this is where we are sitting.
We should do like details.
Oh, like videos में ना. So this is my earring, my chudiya, this ring. Eye makeup also. I don't know if you can still see it. It's still there. Like look at my mojari, guys. It's so pretty. Your turn. Show your details.
Look at my eyes.
Your eye makeup is insane.
My rings.
A moment for your rings. Show
This
your
is
tattoos
hers,
also.
which fits my outfit so nicely.
Show your tattoos also.
Look at my
Tattoos. Multiple tattoos.
you can see.
show your other.
That's the most basic Bata culture.
But this is very sturdy, okay? This will never hurt you. Bata will never hurt you, guys. Unless it's like a flip-flop. Bata flip-flops are right. But yeah, the weather here is nice. I feel
Weather is
really
hot.
I mean, better here. I mean, it's better than, you know, actually like the extreme heat or extreme cold I was expecting. Because if it was cold, I could still borrow a sweater from her because she brought hers here. But if it gets too hot, then I turned into the worst person ever. Like, yeah, God. Like in uni, I used to never want to bunk during the day because I cannot take the heat at all. What are you doing? I'm editing the video to some song. What song? Also, guys, I really love how I look. My lip combo today is also insane. So I'm using, I forgot the shade, but I'll probably add it later. I'm using a Mars lip tint, and then one Shubhangi had a little brown one. So I have mixed them both. I think the brown one is wearing off a little, but yeah. Also eye makeup. I don't like how my nose looks. I feel pretty. We are pretty.
He looks so pretty.
Yeah,
Like, no comments. He looks so pretty.
So desi girl coded. We should also take a picture of like just this, right? Yeah,
It's
let's do
auto.
that. Yeah. Okay. So we are finally exiting City Palace. We just had a very overpriced lunch because we were starving and we did not have breakfast. And
The thing is कि थोड़ा अगर better होता ना
Yeah.
because everything else was nice. If the biryani was a little better, it would have been worth it.
seriously, like the rice was a little undercooked and the flavor, something about the flavor was not nice. Wait, nice views. We are currently having coffee and some snacks. This is so good. We have been talking about getting some coffee forever. Also the view, guys. Also the view. She does not care. She's too busy talking about.
As a prince or something ना मैं एक बार तो definitely jump मारती यहाँ से.
I'm pretty sure they must do that. I don't know if you can tell by the state of us, but we are very tired. Like, royally tired. We were supposed to go to Lake Pichola boat ride,
We did go to Pichola,
but we did not have boat ride. काफी लेट पहुंचे थे, but we did.
But we understood कि कितना भीड़ है, कितना ये है, and time.
And how much time it will take us. So when we do go to Lake Pichola, it will be better. Good morning, everyone.
You were born 2 days ago. Who you talking to?
You're talking about the dogs. Why? Anyway, regardless of that, we are here. We are going to the Neemuch Mata ropeway. It's super
very cold.
It's very cold. एक बिल्कुल ही बैंड बज रही है भाई ठंड से. My hands are completely cold. But we were doing a fit check.
This is like my protection.
Yeah, we were doing a fit
I
check.
feel very bombish right now.
Can you stop this?
Yeah,
Wait, do that again. She's doing the bomb case.
this is very
the sound
small.
effect,
This
with
is
the
very
sound
small
effects.
for bombish. Okay, this looks more like मैं पूजा करने जा रही हूँ than bombish.
The way, oh, the sun is hitting so nicely. Can the sun hit my body for once? Anyway, we are currently at the Fateh Sagar Lake. We are not going like this is the entire lake. So we'll go to the Neemuch Mata ropeway. Wait, let me do a fit check. Earrings, kurti, jeans, and flats. You can't see that. Gi, do your fit check. This is what she's wearing.
My earring, which is like
Fish.
this is to belong. Yeah, which is from my mother. Picking up from Zudio. Most probably also Zudio.
This is Mintra. This kurti is also Mintra. These earrings from a stall from this kid that was selling it yesterday, and I did not try to bargain with him क्योंकि वो बच्चा था. So yeah, but I usually do try to bargain. I got this for 120. Yeah, 120 I think. and that is definitely higher, I know, but I mean it's okay. He he's going through all the trouble. Plus, it's peak tourist season. I know they are tired of all of us. So we are on the way to the ropeway. Our car is pink, a really good shade of pink. That too. Excited. It's not that cold, Abhi, na? I think now that it's a little sunny. And plus now it's sunny. It's going to be fun. Isn't this pahar exactly like the way we used to make in drawing class, like two and then beach center में एक छोटा सा, like I don't know how well you guys can see, but I guess silhouette से maybe you will understand. But we are at Nimesh Mata and we are currently at trek sort of situation. People are listening to devotional songs and walking up and down. So many people actually. There's this bougainvillea tree. One thing about this place, there's so many that I really like. Also, I saw peacocks for the first ever time, and I saw two together, and my camera could not capture it well, but I cannot tell you how happy I am. And they quite indeed look as pretty as they are in real life. I did not know that peacocks are indeed this pretty, and I'm very very happy. Like all these years of my life, and this is the first time I'm seeing peacocks, but I'm so happy, and they are so colorful, they're so pretty. मतलब बहुत ही सुंदर था यार, मज़ा आ गया.
I am taking selfies. I am still here.
The way you are not speaking most in my vlog, people are going to think that I'm that friend who does not let the other friends speak in the vlogs.
Don't worry, it's purely because I just don't talk. Only if it's with her, then I yap a lot.
Yeah, like this is the introvert that I adopted, guys.
Yes.
Don't let her yapping with me fool you. What is this? कुछ तो लिखा है बहुत ज़्यादा टफ हिंदी में. वर्जित, पॉलीथीन वर्जित क्षेत्र. भाई मैं हिंदी बोल रही हूँ. Of course, who is bringing polythene in such a pretty place? Also, that is
A lot of people.
Fatehpur Sagar Lake still. Like it's huge. I mean, जब हमने ऊपर से देखा, huge. Also, I'm so happy with how this like kurti looks, because I did not think it would look as pretty, but like the fitting, the color, also the fabric, which is rare. The fabric is amazing.
We are in a hill station, not gonna lie.
है ना, it does look like we are in a hill station. Like the background is just लग रहा है जैसे बस ऑफ सीजन आ गया है.
Trust me, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा धूप है. When we stand here, कुछ नहीं दिखता. I think अब हम लोग को चले जाना चाहिए, वापस नहीं.
Because we are going to the fort. That's what you get.
Yeah, चल. Okay, we'll see you at the next location. We are currently at Sajjangarh Fort. दिख नहीं रहा. I don't know if you can see. Even I can't see. Oh, they can probably. Yeah, they can see. So there were a lot of monkeys here, but they are not here right now, so that's good. We saw an artist here playing music, and both of us immediately got sad. Like immediately got sad. The way the tips were so small also. But still, like you know, like there are a lot of people. अगर हमने 10 दिया, मान लो यहाँ 100 लोग आते हैं, 100 लोगों ने भी 10 दिया, but नहीं दे रहे थे लोग. Everybody is just looking at this, moving away ahead.
Yeah, that's sad.
है ना? And the fact is कि he is so brilliant. None of us could do that, but because unfortunately he is not appreciated enough to to give better resources or give better platform, I would say. So yeah, that's that. Anyway, the fort was really pretty. यहाँ पे हवा बहुत बढ़िया चल रही है. Like even her hair is flying.
कुछ ज़्यादा ही fly हो रही है. I am afraid this is gonna fly away.
But bandana looks nice. Like इसलिए look बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है ना.
Nice.
यहाँ
This
से
is so high up. It's very nice.
हाँ ना, इतना कि fog दिख रहा है. सिर्फ like even if we flip the camera, you won't be able to see the entire city because the fog is so strict. I got distracted by how many people here are, so I'll continue this vlog later. So we're currently at Saiju Ki Bari. Lots of flowers, like amazingly lots of flowers. This is us. This place is very picnicish. Yes. We just helped a little girl take pictures who was very shy.
The shadows and lighting is doing wonders for us.
Yeah. That little girl though, Ishani, I think her name was, she was so shy and self-conscious. So we helped her. I just went full extrovert. Do you want me to take your picture? She's like, yes, Didi, please. So then I taught her how to close.
Her dad taking pictures.
Yeah,
in
she was
that
just like,
angle.
yeah. Her dad was like, nahi aa rahe fool. So then I took a bunch of her pictures, told her that, you know, you look pretty, be confident, it's nice. And then we took a bunch of her pictures in different aspect ratios and all. I know she will be happy seeing the contrast in the picture. And her parents were so sweet actually, trying so hard to take the picture that like the child wanted. So this is what it looks
Then you're
like
taller than
from.
me.
I am taller than you.
Yeah, I know, but like, यहाँ पे suddenly you come and you look like, oh.
So anyway, this is the park. This is the Bari. This is basically a park. It's a good spot, you know, if you wanna hang out and stuff. Like we are taking multiple videos. Either they say something to the vlog viewers. You haven't
I
said a
look
word.
very nice today.
Yeah.
That's what.
This dress was also a very big steal.
Yes, it's like 800 रुपए. That was very nice because दूसरे जगह पे we were seeing another one and he was like, oh, 1,000. He went from like 1,500 to I'll do it 12 and then was like 1,000. I was like, thank you,
Yeah.
Bhaiya.
We know how much this dress costs now. Thanks. And today we are also going to Hathipur market and all. We are going to lots of markets today.
Yeah, we find a dress
Not
for
like dressed
her.
like this. Yeah, I needed. We saw this gorgeous pink and green dress yesterday, but it was like backless till the very end of my waist. It was insane. Why are you suddenly?
गर्मी लग रही थी, so I was like trying to do this.
So we are going to the market not in these dresses. Of course, it's a little controversial.
We have
Another outfit
change.
plan. Yeah, outfit change.
Too
and
iconic for like, you know, one outfit of a day.
Truly. So we are going to two nice places today, and probably for dinner also we are going to some nice place.
Yes.
Yeah,
We can spend money. हमारे पास पैसा नहीं.
we're so we are going to read a lot of nice places. There are a bunch of guys laughing in the background. I don't know if it's like a guy thing or if it's a I hate influencers things. Either way, I'm not an influencer, and if you're a annoying as guy, so what can we do? Multiple fit checks 4D. Part of trip where you're just sitting in a random place and using your phone, and if the dhoop is too much, you use your dupatta like this. There's literally edits going on here. We are currently at Gulab Bagh, and I don't know, there's definitely supposed to be things here, but हमें तो नहीं मिला. So we are now going for lunch, and then we are going to Chetak Market. Yeah, Chetak Market. Then होगा outfit change. Outfit change के बाद we are going to a bunch of places, but we definitely need to make that what is Lafalad. But like with this पर्दे में रहने दो पर्दा में उठा, इतनी धूप है कि दिख नहीं रहा भाई कुछ. पर्दा जो उठ गया तो what's that?
Moisture उड़ जाए.
Oh wait, you're singing the ad वाला पर्दा जो उठ गया तो
हाँ.
moisture what?
Moisture उड़ जाएगा.
और फिर आगे क्या होता है?
उतना ही है. It's a ये का ad, Johnson's baby का ad.
Oh, Johnson's baby का है. I thought it was like Pond's or something.
It might be Ponds, but I think it's Johnson's baby.
हाँ, I think also जिसमें बच्चे सामने
हाँ.
और बहुत ही क्यूट सा बच्चा रहता है.